What's up, YouTube? It's Johnny V here. I just got a little portable battery charger for laptops and more. It's built in USB-C and USB-A ports. My phone is the newish Android kind. This is what you get. Your little unboxing. That's all you get. You get a little package. Take it out the box. Flip it over and show you what it's got. It says you can charge a MacBook in 100 minutes. The battery capacity here is 13,400 amp hours. Is that what that's called? Amp hours? I don't know what that means. Input 36 watts, output 36 watts. I'm sure that's important. The recharge cable is included, but you're gonna like this. It's really small. So I mean, if you this is the recharge. This is the wire they give you with it. It's really tiny. It's the USB-C. So if you're not familiar with that, I really like it. I mean, this is my second one. I actually lost the first one. Don't ask me where I lost it. I have no idea. It just disappeared on me all of a sudden. It says you can charge a phone 8 times. I don't know about that. I think my phone battery is 3,000 amp hours. And this is 13,000. So, I mean, probably not 8 times. Maybe 3 or 4 times if I had to guess. But I'll show you what the output, the input and outputs look like. It's all USB-C, so I like that because I don't like the old Android chargers. It's really got a good design. To start it, you got to shake it, believe it or not. And that's how many dots I have. I have 3 dots currently. It takes a while to charge it, so don't think it's not charging. Plug it in, and you usually get a blinking dot when it first starts to charge. It could take. It says it could take 3 to 6 hours, and believe me, it really does take the initial charge really does take that long. But that's a good little battery. It's sturdy. It's, you know, feels good. Remember, to start it, there's no on-off button, so you plug it in, you know, right here, and to start it, you actually gotta shake it. You know. Output, input. Yeah, I'm really pleased with it. That's why I bought the second one. It actually has this little thing. Yeah. I'm really pleased with it. That's why I bought it for the second time. It's called the Mycharge Razor Platinum C. You can get it on eBay $15, $16. I mean, if you go in the store, these things are like 40 bucks, 40, 50 bucks. Don't pay 40 or 50 bucks for it. Because really, I mean, they're good batteries. But, yeah, they're not worth 30 or 40 bucks. I paid $15.99, including free shipping on eBay. So it's not a bad deal. Check it out. If you're in the market for a battery, just remember the first time takes a long time to charge, 3 to 6 hours. Just shake it, you get it started, you get 3 dots. I mean, I have nothing but great things to say about this battery. I mean, the first one lasted me 2 or 3 years, and I use it, you know, once or 3 times a week at least. You know, you can get a good charge on your phone. You can get it from 0 to, you can get it from 1% to 100% easily, you know, in like an hour or so. Alright, that's all I have to say about that. Click the thumbs up, help me out, all that good stuff. Yeah, you're going to want to buy a wire though. This wire is really short. I think it's pretty much useless. But buy you a good quality wire. Buy yourself a good quality wire, because you'll be glad you did in the long term. Don't buy one of those cheap, you know, dollar store ones.